adjustment live, and I'm doing this because mostly I just wanted people to be able to see what we do here, how our adjusting can be a little different than some chiropractic offices. And I also have patients that, they're face down most of the time, so they kind of ask me a lot of questions. Well, what are you doing here? What are you doing there? I thought it might be fun to be able to put this up and have people be able to see what it is that I do. And so enjoy. Turn your head this way. And then this way. And back to the middle. This way on your side. So for our adjustments, a lot of times we use this instrument. It's called the integrator, and I'm going to do an adjustment here on her upper cervical spine, or atlas. And the technique, or the approach and technique we use, or I use at the office here, is called MC squared or MC2. So here it is. And then I'm going to have you take a couple deep breaths all the way in and out, please. All right, very good. So go ahead and turn over onto your stomach now. So what I'm doing down here is I'm looking at her leg lengths, and when she first turned to face down, her right leg was short relative to her left leg by close to a ½ inch. And then I'm checking different spots along her spine, different key areas, to find out where we can create balance by doing the adjustment in that spot. And so when I kind of go up and back like this, that's what I'm looking to find out. creating that balance between the leg lengths tells us that the postural tone is balanced. And what that tells us is that the brain is functioning well and communicating with the body well, which is really our goal of every adjustment, to remove the subluxations which interfere with that normal communication and have the body work as a better functioning unit, brain and body together. And so while the adjustments are subtle and not very forceful, because we do it at the right place and the right time for the body to accept, it has a large impact on the nervous system. Deep breath in and out, please. So I'm looking for a continuity in the breath, in the respiratory wave we call it, so that as she breathes, there's movement through the spine that's in a coordinated fashion, and no area is left out, all the way up to the occiput or the head, and then circling back around. I don't know how well that shows up on camera, but that's what we're looking for. All right, very good. So we're all balanced out down here. We're seeing a good respiratory wave. And so she's done. And now I'm going to raise her up at the table.